Hi, I'm Dr. Lopo, a neurosurgeon, and today I would like to speak to you about epilepsy from my perspective, that is the neurosurgical perspective. The epileptics that we see in daily practice are those patients who have had the first seizure of their life which has happened suddenly. It is very scary, I do agree with it, but these patients usually are never an epileptic ever in their life, never in their childhood, never has anybody had any seizures in their family too. Now, such a situation can occur in people. We call this as late onset seizures, and there has to be an underlying neurological disorder. Most commonly the disorders are maybe old brain trauma, old brain surgery, or a brain tumor. There could be a lot of other reasons. If you take out a textbook of neurosurgery and neurology, you will get umpteen number of causes. You go to the internet, umpteen number of causes, but these are the most common causes seen. There are other associated symptoms along with these causes. That could be loss of vision, loss of hearing, left-sided weakness or right-sided weakness of the body, difficulty in speaking, difficulty in writing, and many other associated problems depending on where the lesion is present. Now, when one finds oneself in such a situation, or finds a person in such a situation, I think the best advice or the best thing to do is to go and seek immediate medical help from a bigger hospital which has neurosurgical and neurological facility. With the latest modalities of investigation like CT, MRI and PET scan, a lesion is easily detected, and with the latest modalities of treatment, a suitable modality is adopted, and based on the modality of treatment, the seizures are permanently rid in most of the cases. This would be the best treatment for a patient having late onset seizures.